What up, M House gang? How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing great, cause I'm doing great. Yeah, currently in a snowstorm. We've been having so much snow. It's not even the snow from the freaking last snowstorm didn't even melt. We still got snow on top of snow on top of snow, but these roads are extremely slushy and nasty. My job let us go home early, so, and my boss even let me go even earlier, so I'm okay. And today's my son's birthday. My son is officially 15 years old. Yep, like I really have like a really teenager. I'm so proud. So, yeah, so trying to figure out what to do for him today, because like I said, it is a bad snowstorm. I bought him some sneakers for his birthday, but I ordered them online, but he couldn't fit them, so I was thinking like maybe we'll just go to the mall, and if he wants the same shoes, he can get a size bigger or change whatever sneakers he want. And that's why I don't like buying things online. I hate that. I always like to go into the store and try my stuff on, because if it doesn't fit, I don't feel like sending it back. And my freaking sister, she just gets the benefits of it because she's smaller than me. And so if I can't fit it, I just give her all my new stuff, because I just don't feel like the hassle of me returning that stuff. Like, no. And then what if they don't even get it? Do I get my money back? Do I show proof that I sent it? But like, just like how it will be on like eBay, or you buying something on Amazon. People say that they didn't get it or whatever. You could fight, the seller could fight it, but most of the time the seller is going to lose, because you know why? Because the customer is always right. So Amazon is going to basically credit the customer the money, and the seller is going to be out of a sell because they took the word over. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I know this personally. My last job I worked for, we sold furniture. Hold on, I don't know what these people doing. We sold furniture and like bed frames and table sets and things of like that. And so but like once a customer says that they didn't receive it, and trackers does state that it was signed for, let me tell you something. It be sometimes the packages be signed for. Do you understand? Like the packages be signed for, and they will still say they didn't get it. Oh, that's not me. That's not my name. Oh shit. That's not my name. That's not me. And I'll just be like, ma'am, this is your name, not whatever. And then they'll just be like, oh no, that's not me. And I just be like, okay, well, so, and then I'll be like, take it up with freaking Amazon. But you don't want to do it like that when you're a seller on Amazon, because they could leave you a negative feedback. Now, negative feedbacks ruin your consumer rep. Like, all you need is more. And then at the same time, if you get more than one bad, a lot of negative feedbacks, you're liable to get your Amazon or eBay store shut down, and then you have to go through all this paperwork basically pleading and let them know that you know, you won't do it again, and you know, it's just like a real hassle. Like when I used to, the way I used to get my well, you're not supposed to do that, but the way I would remove the negative feedbacks is by so you can't really, what can I say, like bribe customers, because Amazon sees that you're bribing customers, then that's an automatically violation. So you just gotta word things right. I mean, it's still considered, you reading between the lines, you would still see that it's bribery. But how I would word it, I will say something as first and foremost, I want to thank you for, you know, your purchase with us and everything, and something that was like I'm upset that that dude had his whole ass out fixing a tire in the snow. But yeah, I'll say that I'm upset, you know, that you received your product damaged, or however, whatever the negative feedback said, I will include that in there. And then I would say I was wondering if you would like to remove this negative feedback, like I'll compensate you for removal or something like that. But I won't like necessarily say like I'm compensating you for removal, but I'll say it like that, but I'll word it differently. I can't really remember, it was years ago when I worked there. So, and you get some people who will do it, and some people will try to set a price like, well, if you give me $100, mind you, we've already fully refunded them for their money. They still got the product and everything that they will say that's damaged or something like that. They'll still have it, and then we'll compensate them more money. But you get someone that are extremely greedy and will like, well, if you want me to remove it, since I'm an unhappy customer, then I need $200. Well, then that's when you take it a little bit too far, because the item that you purchased wasn't even $200. So no. So, and then I'll be like, well, the most I can give you is $75. Come on, who doesn't want free money? And then it's going right to your account, and you could buy whatever you want on Amazon again. Like, but yeah, so just gotta be careful with negative feedback and stuff like that. But yeah, that's why I don't like buying things online and stuff. So yeah, so I'm on my way home, and so yeah. What up, M House Gang? Currently at the mall. It's my son's birthday. Everybody say happy birthday. He the big 15. Currently, I said earlier that I had to take his sneakers back because he can't fit them. But it's where we're in the mall. A lot of the stores are closed, and well, yeah, and it's snowing. A lot of stores closed. A lot of them are open, but they have their gate down, which is confusing. And yeah, so Majesty's walking with her dad, looking all crazy and stuff. So yeah, so that's what we're currently doing right now in the mall, taking his sneakers back, and hopefully the store is open. We walked the whole entire mall. Your dad is turning around. He's walking in a circle.
Because there's no finish line over here.
It is a finish line in here. I Googled finish line. Finish line is in here. I Googled it. Hold on, y'all. I gotta Google.
I got mac and cheese. My mac and cheese, and I got my fries, and I'm eating one right now with some ketchup. And Mommy got the Big Mac.
What one's my burger?
Okay, ready? Ready, Dad?
Yep.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kaale. Happy birthday to you.
Are you one? Are you two? Are you three?
The weather outside is frightful,
It's mine.
but it's so cold, not delightful. So not delightful. So that concludes our vlog for today. Everybody, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
We appreciate you.
And hit that notification.
Oh no, girl. Bye.
Get these bangers, bang.